This 5 to 25 kg powder filling line from this powder filling machine, then to this stitching machine, and then belt conveyor to that metal detector. Now we will test the action. You can see how the machine working. First step, put the bag into the bag clap and then press the foot pedal. It will clap and start working. Even it's empty, but the machine is very quiet, so this can assure very good accuracy. And after the set weight arrives, then bag will we'll go to the stitching. After stitching, then we'll put it to the metal detector. Then we test it to the metal detector. For no the bag without metal, so it will go directly to the go through. That box have metal, 放上来，盒子。That box have metal. We put it here, and then you can see the machine will alarm and stop.